All right, how's everybody doing out there? My name's Lee Lawson. I want to give a quick testimonial to Jason Sweezy for software that he's created, and called Pip Snagger, and it's a really nice bit of software if you like to not be in front of your screen all day looking at charts. And it's taken me a long time personally to move from being a binary trader slash intraday trader to now being more of a swing trader. And I think that suits me really well. I'm very busy with other projects, online stuff, and Bitcoin projects or whatever the case may be. And I don't always have the time to really do trading justice. And so this bit of software works really well. I've kind of added a couple of bits that I use to put my own spin on things, but you don't need to do anything. This product works fantastically well. This product is an update of previous versions, been going for many years now. And I first came across it in 2017 and didn't do much with it. So I'm guilty, one of those people that buys systems and softwares and with best intentions of doing stuff, and life gets in the way, and you could just, before you know it, it's another year and you haven't even done anything. Anyway, I've recently started to get more involved with it, and it actually helped me capture for the first time over 100 pips on Aussie dollar, which is great because normally I capture 40 pips, 50 pips and stuff like that. It's the first time I've done over 100, so that was quite amazing. But what was even more amazing was in the same week of that happening, then the pound dollar also became a totally game changer. As you can see here, the massive drop down that happened. So I got alerted when this big candle here crossed these two indicators on the screen, and that's in line with the actual proprietary software. So Jason's had this coded so that you will be alerted when that happens, and you'll see visually when that happens. So when that comes down, you can see here you got a retracement that takes place, and then boom, price just falls off, man. Just look at that, it just drops all the way down. And so I've been really happy with the software. It's helped grow my own account, and I can't rate it highly enough. I mean, seriously, guys, you want something that's simple, that you can follow and don't have to deviate from it. Like I said, I've confidently gone into these long trades even while I was traveling. I was in this trade not necessarily this pound trade. I was in a previous pound trade, and when I was traveling, and it was still all good. It still became a positive trade. I didn't fret. I didn't panic. I didn't have to get Wi-Fi on the flight or anything like that to check if I was in profit or not. It was a very relaxing way of trading, and it's a great way of trading. So thanks, Jason, for creating this product. I want to give you this testimonial because I think it's a great product. I've looked at many systems, and this one absolutely rocks, and I will definitely be using this and promoting this for days to come. All right, have a great day, guys. I'll see you on the next video. All right, cheers.